Begin by cutting open a Coke can and tracing around a coin with a blunt tool. Then using that tool, scratch on the design that you want on both sides and cut to the appropriate size. Then bend round the sides and fill the inside with PVA glue, water and newspaper. Glue some sticks together to the desired thickness in order to make the handle. And attach that to the base. File down any sharp corners and cut the handle to size. And then you've got a stamp to use for your formal letters. If you want to see the full build, then check out the link at the end of the video and don't forget to subscribe.